everybody? Welcome back to Big Eyes Kitchen. Y'all, sometimes you just need a breakfast. You need a breakfast, right? Today, I am about to show you how to make a French toast breakfast sandwich that's gonna leave you full in the morning, all right? Or at nighttime. Let's get into it. All right, y'all, you know how to make bacon. I just put some bacon in the oven, all right? I like the bacon in the oven because it cooks all the way through, right? So let's focus on the French toast. 4 eggs. We're gonna crack them open and get them going. All right, there's 1, there's 2. Be sure to slow down so you won't have eggshells in your French toast. Be like, what's crunchy? This is not Cinnamon Toast Crunch. All right, number 4. All right, now y'all, we're gonna add our cinnamon in there. By now y'all already know, I don't measure. I just let the Holy Spirit tell me. He said stop. All right, y'all. Gonna add some vanilla extract in there. There it is. There it is. It just says stop. You want to add you a little salt in there. Not too much, because you're gonna get some salt from the regular eggs. All right? And we're gonna whisk. Ooh. Y'all, and my griddle over here is getting hot. I can feel it. I can feel it, okay? Some people can add pepper in theirs. I don't add pepper in the French toast because, y'all, we gonna add some pepper in the actual eggs because it's gonna be French toast, bacon, eggs, and cheese. Woo! Now, what you wanna do is take your butter and you're gonna put it on the griddle, okay? Cut it up, put it on the griddle, and let it go. Oh, I don't think that's enough butter. I'm adding another tablespoon. Now, once your butter melts, get you some Texas toast. You wanna take your Texas toast, you wanna put it in the eggs. Y'all, drown it in there, okay? Do it twice, okay? You don't want to do it too much because it gets soggy. And then you just put it on that griddle and it be good. All right? Y'all, these are ready. Look at this. Woo, we gonna put these on the plate and we gonna be ready. That bacon is in that oven. What we gonna do, go ahead and start our eggs. Cause when that bacon comes back, it's about to go down. That's one thing I love about breakfast. It don't take all day, huh? You can eat right then and there. All right, let me get this bacon out and get ready for these eggs. Y'all look at that bacon. Oh, I told y'all it cooks all the way through when you put it in the oven. Y'all, it's hot. Gotta put it down, but it's gonna be good. All right, we gotta go make these eggs. And once we make those eggs, we're gonna make that toast sandwich and we're gonna eat, okay? All right, y'all, it's time to make eggs. Now, one thing that we gotta do, we gotta have some fluffy eggs, okay? We just don't want the regular scrambled eggs. We want the fluffy ones. What you can do is put some half and half in the eggs, y'all. It's gonna make it fluffy, all right? So I'm taking 4 eggs, again, and we're gonna crack them. Once you do that, you put you some salt in there, easy. Oh, high cholesterol. Get you some pepper. I'm gonna put a whole bunch of pepper in hers. I love pepper in eggs. And then y'all, half and half. It makes it creamy. And then what you're gonna do? You're gonna whisk them. Look at that. So, put your butter on there. All right, y'all. Ooh, these eggs looking good. Y'all, let's start plating this, all right? We're gonna take some of that cheesy scrambled eggs. Ooh, ooh-wee. And we're gonna put them on, y'all, like that. Ooh-wee. Oh, ooh-wee. Look at here, y'all. Now, next thing you want to do, okay, put that to the side. You want to get you that bacon, y'all. Ooh, and here, y'all, I told y'all, just cook the bacon in the oven. We don't want to sit over the counter and over that stove. You just need to get you some bacon in the oven, okay? Ooh. Now some people pat that grease off. That's all right, you pat at your house. Pat at your house, huh? It's all right. And once you get that bacon on there, just put the top on. And you all have a beautiful French toast bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich. Y'all, let me tell you something. This is what you want. And to top it off, you gotta get you some syrup. All right, get you some syrup and eat it. We about to taste it. Y'all, listen, it is time to taste some French toast with some bacon, egg, and cheese, all right? Y'all, I'll put some syrup on this. Mind your business, because it's French toast. What? This reminds me of my dad, because my dad used to eat breakfast at nighttime. And you can cook this in the morning and the nighttime, but we about to taste it, okay? Ooh, yeah, Lord. Yeah, Lord. Y'all, Ooh, get one. Try to be proper on camera. The cheese melted. Ooh, y'all see it dropping. Oh, the sauciness from the bacon, the sweetness from the syrup. Y'all, get you some. Y'all, watch the next video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week on Big Eyes Kitchen. Peace.